Yeah, this is part one of my in progress build of the Walthers coal flood loader. I got inspired by Dan Shepard and this Modeler 24 on building this thing and making it operational. I got the little thing here and I tried it working outside, soldering this thing up with a torch. I made a mess of it. I went inside and put my soldering iron to it and found out this stuff is wonderful. Brass works great for doing this. It's basically a big heat sink, but once it gets going, once you heat up the whole area, it just flows and makes it real easy to work with. So anyway, this is the part that lowers down. This is going to be glued up in here. Actually, it's already glued up in this one. Can't see it. Anyway, this part is glued up there. The servo will raise this up, and this will just go up and down. Made little measurements and things all over the place. Got that going. I use perlite painted black for coal. So this is a 1-inch tube, and this is here is my previous attempt at making something that works. Something here and have the servo shaking this thing out and having the coal fall out, and it just didn't work at all, because in between getting along the coal along here and having it shake it out, it just never got out. Working perlite need a big hole and gravity. I have a bunch of little tubes and things, pieces of chunks of wood, all sized, ready to go on there and glue. Put the servos down on the side so I can lift this up and pull this back and forth. The one only problem here is that I had to make a big giant hole in the side of this for this to be shoved out. To make the hole through, it goes out that far, and once this is already on the side up here, that out far, if it was all like all this width, it'd be no problem. But being that it hunkers down here, yeah, nasty. Ooh. Anyway, I have to build something around here, do something to hide that, but this is about where we're at here. I got the little things out here to place the coal car and make sure everything works. Pre-fit and pre-test a bunch of times. Go back up in here and see where all the things are. Got the room in here to glue things up. But anyway, I use perlite painted black and got all this stuff inspired by Dan Shepard and this Modeler 24. When I finally saw someone moving the coal tube down onto the car, I thought, now that's what I'm missing. I've been doing missing something, but that's it. Moving the tube down onto the car separate from the tube that dumps the coal. Now that's it. Here we go. Good luck. I might never get done on this though. Oh my.